Are you looking for the best gifts for photographers? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best gifts for photographers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Everyday Camera Carrying Case. It is designed to carry a camera and 1 to 2 lenses. Our testers could easily fit a large mirrorless camera with 1 lens already attached, along with 2 small prime lenses, into the nicely padded interior. With a capacity of 3 liters, this sling makes a great everyday carrying case. You can also purchase their larger 6 light model, which makes for a more serious bag. Its sling is designed to be carried as a cross-shoulder bag but can also be adjusted to be worn around the hips. 2 external carry straps allow handy accessories like a tripod to be attached to the outside. Peak Design is a highly regarded brand known for making high-quality camera accessories, and this attractive sling is sure to make the photographer in your life very happy. The Everyday Sling 3L is expensive. Still, this valuable item is practical, attractive, and is sure to be loved by intermediate and pro photographers alike. Style: camera bag best for intermediate to professional photographers. Number 2. Best gift for smartphone photographers. The Zenvo Pro Lens Kit clip-on wide-angle and macro lens for your smartphone is a versatile and high-quality product, making a great gift for the person in your life who wants to up their Instagram game. With 2 lenses in one, a wide-angle and macro, you simply attach a clip, fix it in front of your smartphone's camera lens, and instantly shoot more dynamic high-quality photos. The wide-angle lens captures 45% more with every photo, making it great for landscapes, travel photography, interior photography, and selfies where you want to capture the great view behind you too. The macro lens performs remarkably well, capturing close-up images with excellent sharpness and detail with impressive bokeh, blurred background, to boot. Because the lenses screw together, you'll never forget one at home, and the convenient lanyard and carrying case keep all the accessories in a convenient package. Style: smartphone camera lens best for phone photographers. Number 3. Best mini tripod for photographers and videographers. It is a useful tool for photographers and videographers alike. With simple legs that fold out and have rubberized bottoms, this compact tripod keeps your camera stable on any flat surface, allowing you to get great still shots or video footage. The legs also fold up to create an ergonomic grip for smoother video shooting, a feature our gear testers appreciated. The main drawback to this mini tripod is it can only handle a max payload of 2.2 pounds, making it a more suitable gift for photographers who shoot on a compact camera. Our larger, full-frame Sony A7 RAI with a large 16 to 35 mm lens weighed down the little tripod too much, threatening to tip forward. Yet, our compact Sony A6000 with its kit lens was the perfect fit. This tripod also lacks height adjustment. Still, the small size and lightweight make it the ideal sleek accessory to throw into your camera bag to have on hand when you need it. Style: mini tripod best for amateur to intermediate photographers and videographers.